Yes, guys, what is going on? Welcome to next week's gold forecast. Before we dive in, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that a lot. So we're currently on gold, guys, on the monthly time frame. Now, what is the first thing that we can see? What is the first thing we can see? I'm waiting for you to tell me. Okay, I'll tell you. So the first thing that we can see is this monthly bullish impulse leg right here. So we know that we are what? Bullish on the monthly time frame. Now, guys, what is the first thing that we want to do? For you guys that watch these every week, you guys should know. We want to mark off our previous monthly candlestick high and our previous monthly candlestick low. Now, what does that give us? Our monthly trading range, and also levels of support and resistance and liquidity that price will use and target. So what can we see happening right now? We've got the current monthly candle breaking above the previous monthly candle. Now, what do I want to see? I want to see price pull back somewhere into this zone, use this zone, resistance turning into support, and then use this zone for its continuation, so price to continue up and make new all-time highs again. But we're going to have to go down the time frames and open price up a little bit more because there's not really much indication of where price is going next on the monthly time frame, apart from up. Well, that doesn't give us much to work with in regards to getting in trades. So let's go down to the weekly time frame. So what can we see? What's the first thing we want to do? The same as the monthly time frame. We want to mark off price action. So we've got impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, and then we've got impulse, retracement, continuation. So we know we are what? Bullish on the weekly time frame. So we're bullish on the monthly and we're bullish on the weekly. And last week, again, we made another new all-time high. So what do we want to see? What do we want to see going into next week? Well, the first thing we want to do is we want to mark off our previous weekly candlestick high and our previous weekly candlestick low. Now, what does this give us? Just like the monthly time frame, it gives us our weekly trading range and also levels of support and resistance and liquidity that price would use and target. So what do I want to see going into next week? There is a couple of things. What have we got here? One big imbalance. What have we got here? Liquidity. Where is price? Price is super close to the previous weekly high. So we've got a higher chance of price pushing up, nipping that liquidity at the beginning of the week. If that happens, then we've got a higher chance of a pullback somewhere into this zone. Well, then look for confirmation on the lower time frame for continuations to make new all-time highs. Now, if we don't take out the previous weekly high at the beginning of the week and we pull back first, we have got a slightly higher chance that price is going to give us the continuations and blast through these highs here, because this is liquidity. That's how price moves, through levels and liquidity. So if she doesn't scoop this liquidity here, she will pull back, scoop some from down here, and then boom, she will take out these orders and probably create a new all-time high aggressively again, like she did here. And that is the move that we want to capitalize on. So I am going to be waiting to see the behavior of how price opens at the beginning of the week. So this is the level, guys, that you want to watch. What is price going to do? So you can have more confidence if you want to take retracement sells at the beginning of the week. If price nips up and take this, she's collected some fuel. And if enough fuel, she'll pull back somewhere into this zone here, close the imbalance, where ideally then you want to be looking to get out of the trades and looking for continuation buys. Because if all of the price is bullish, daily, monthly, weekly, 4 hour, etc., you don't really want to be trying to hold your sells forever. You want to get in, take your profit, and get out. So weekly time frame, we know what we're looking for. We want to see how price reacts to this level at the beginning of the week. If she leaves it intact, boom, awesome. She's made it even higher probable and give us an indication that she's going to pull back, collect some orders from here, and bang, she's going to blast through. If she takes this beginning of the week, that's an indicator that she's going to pull back and then do this and then give us the continuations up from there. So daily time frame, what have we got here? Again, price action very similar to the weekly time frame. Big imbalance here, and the same. We're waiting for the same thing. We just want to see how price opens up, where it goes, what it does, how it reacts to this level at the beginning of the week, right here. So if we go down to the 4 hour, what can we see? What can we see? Beautiful imbalance here, look. Very nice. Sitting right in our zone where we want to look for those continuations. Now, I want to measure out this 4 hour. This 4 hour low to high. Where are we? 618 sitting right on this previous resistance that we want to see turning into support. Now, here is a beautiful level that I want to look for buys up. So I want to see price get into here. This is my golden zone right here for next week that I want to see price in to look for those continuations up there. Now, again, at the beginning of the week, price isn't going to be down here. We want to wait and see how price reacts to this. If price fakes this, takes liquidity, bang, we've got, you know, high chance of price retracing somewhere into this zone here. It might only retrace into here, here, here. I want to see it retrace into there. And then boom, I'm going to look to take price up from there. If we go down to the 1 hour, but again, actually, you know, price could continue up. Lower probable scenarios, we could push up and continue to extend. You know, price could use this resistance turn to support and continue up. But that move won't hold forever. So if that happens and you want to get in buys here, again, get in, get out, because you've got a higher chance of price doing that and then crashing down. So if we go to the 1 hour, what can we see? 1 hour time frame here. So this is the current 1 hour low. You see here? 1 hour low. Now, again, it all depends what happens here at the beginning of the week. If we don't take this liquidity, we can look, because I think we have got some imbalance in there. Yes, we've got a nice zone here where we could look for continuation buys. There's a nice zone there that I will look to take buys at the beginning of the week. Only here, if we pull back without taking that liquidity. If we pull back into here, boom, beautiful, very high probable. Bang. There. And that's what I look for at the beginning of the week. Very, very nice. Now, if we take liquidity first and we get a very strong reaction, we've got a higher chance of price pulling back, you know, breaking through this level, pulling back somewhere in here to this zone. So depending on the reaction, if this happens, depends on if I'll take a limit order here or wait for confirmation. And that's pretty much it, guys. So you know what I'm looking for from the monthly down to the 1 hour there. Obviously, if price breaks through here, look, that'll break the structure on the 1 hour. Then we'll be targeting the 4 hour low. So if we break through here, boom, you know, we'll be expecting price to pull back somewhere and then give us that retracement down to these levels, which will be towards the 4 hour low. Well, let me be looking for the 4 hour continuations, 1 hour break of structure back bullish, and continuations up back to the highs. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I just want to quickly jump over onto the Discord, guys. Funded Lab 3.0 is smashing it. The new robots in there are sick. You can check out the results in the free Discord. If you go to the website, BlackswanFx.com, we have buttons all over the website. Click to join free Discord. These are the public channels here. These are the channels that you'll have access to if you click that and join. And you can come check the results out, guys. Yeah, my FX book link in here. There's results for the futures, the Telegram signals, the companions, all in here. And if you go to the website, I've also got video breakdowns of all of these products as well. And if you've got any questions, if you know you watch the videos and your questions don't get answered, just ask any further questions in the live chat. And if you're not in the Discord, guys, I hope to see you in the Discord next week or the Telegram signals next week. Apart from that, we're done now. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your Sunday. And that's it. So, wash.